So today's topic is Databricks Gen AI associated with. So to know about the Databricks Gen AI, we have to know what is the database. So database is a cloud-based data platform designed to help the organization to handle massive amount of data. Remember, massive amount of data and perform advanced analytics and build a machine learning model all in one place. So this is the database. Now, in the Databricks, there are lots of things are there like Databricks are built on the Apache Spark Lakehouse architecture and support multiple language. These are the feature of the Databricks and machine learning with the AI integration. Now, coming to the machine learning with AI integration. If we talk about the machine learning and AI, so Gen AI also comes in this part. That's why we are here to know and what exactly are Databricks Gen AI. So what is the Databricks Gen AI? Databricks Gen AI is a set of tools, model, infrastructure inside the database that help the organization to build custom AI apps using their own data. It let companies fine-tune the LLM, means large language model, or use open source fundamental model without needing massive AI engineering terms. Instead of spending data or to third party AI service means which may a costly or risk for the privacy. A third party. I'm talking about the third. What is third party? Third party means a costly and risk for the privacy. So Gen AI let you train and run the model securely inside your own data lakehouse. So overall, if we talk about the data with Gen AI, so data with Gen AI is the set of tools, models, and infrastructure which is inside the database to help the organization to build custom AI apps using their own data. This is the Databricks Gen AI. Here is the Databricks Gen AI Associate Engineer certification content. We will study and we will know what will come in the Databricks Gen AI Associate Engineer certification. So the certification is only divided in six parts, and overview of the certification is that Databricks Gen AI designed to access your ability to design and implement LLM. As I said, that Databricks Gen AI is the tool, model, and infrastructure inside the database which help to build a custom AI app. So, how we will create a custom apps using the data things. So lots of things are there like LLM enable solution using the database, including building, deploying RAG application. RAG after this segregation, which will come in the certification, we will first cover RAG. What is RAG? So deploying RAG application, LLM chains with tool like vector search, model serving, ML flow, and unit character. These are the things which will come in your certification exam. So exam content are distributed in mainly six parts: design application 14%, data preparation 14%, application development 30%, assembling and deploying apps is 22%, governance 8%, evaluation and monitoring content 12%. In this exam, 45 questions which will come, and all are will be multiple choice question, and the duration will be 90 minutes, and the cost will be $200. It may be vary, but yes, as per now, it's a $200. Design the application. So what is the design the application? Design application is the section of the data with generative AI engineer associate certification that covers 40% of the application and focus the design principle, architecture, planning involving in the building generative AI application. Now we will just break down what is the Databricks design application part. So design application is divided in different parts, which are as below. That identifying use cases of the Gen AI, that is chatbot, summarization, code generation, documentation, document question answer, that is also RAG. These topics will come into your Databricks Gen AI certification. And also here we have to choose what exactly right LLM model based on the pattern, analyze business needs, data access, latency, cost, and compliance requirements. Section 2 is the application architecture. In the application architecture, you choose the different type of LLM deployment approaches like hosted API, open source model, decide on RAG versus fine tuning versus prompt engineering. These are the topics which will come. Use the vector search in unit catalog for efficient document retrieval. Third is the tool and component selection. So which tool and which component we have to select for our app. So Databricks vector search is the semantic document retrieval, ML flow, model tracking and deployment, data with model serving to deploy the custom model, unit catalog to secure the data model access, integrate with the external API, LangChain and Llama index distributor. Prompt engineering basis. Prompt plan to prompt strategy, zero shot, few shots, instruction based prompts, handling prompt formatting like chat style versus instruction style model, token latency consideration. Fifth is the governance and access planning. Determine where and how the data model access and secure by unit catalog, plan for auditing, tracking, and lineage of the model and prompts. Role-based access control, that is RBAC. Now, come to the what domains will come. Domain one is the design application, which covers the 14%. In the design application, use cases are RAG, chatbot, summarization, architecture selection, hosted versus open source model, prompt engineering types like zero shot or few shot, tool selection, LangChain and vector search. Domain 2, which covers also 14%, that's the part of the data preparation. In the data preparation, text extraction, chunking strategies, tokenization, embedding model, storing vector data in the vector search or delta tables. Domain 3, that is the application development, which covers the 30%, building RAG app using LangChain and Llama index, calling external API, chaining prompt, and integration MI flow. Domain 4, it covers the 22%, is the assembling and deployment. In, in this assembling and deployment, packaging model, workflow, using model, serving deployment with the ML flow, registering and sharing via unit catalog. These are comes inside the assembling and deployment. Domain 5 is the governance. Governance is the data and model access via the unit catalog, lineage and auditability, secure prompt handling. Domain 6 is evaluation and monitoring. So in this part covers 22% metrics, hallucination, latency, grounding, evaluation tool, prompt template, test set, and logging output using ML4. These are the six domain from where you will get the questions. And I'm sure if you study all the topic one by one, then you will get 100% marks, get passed this certification.